As you know, I scour as many VA forums as I can find to try to find the most common questions that you might have and answer them for you. And this is by far the #1 question that I see. So what I want you to do is I want you to grab a pen and I want you to grab a piece of paper and meet me right back here in 10 seconds because I have the answer to this question.
I'm Lisa Baldwin, and I started my VA business with a laptop and an idea. Now I'm going to teach you to do the same.
So by far, the #1 question that I see people who are looking to start their VA business ask is, what skills do I need to start a virtual assistant business? And this question drives me crazy. Let me tell you why. So often people are looking for a list of 50 things that they're supposed to check off. And if they can check all of those boxes, then it's almost like they have permission to start their VA business. That is absolutely not at all true. Here's what I'm going to tell you. The skills that you need to start your VA business, are you ready for it? They are the skills that you already have. Now stay with me. I don't want you to go off of this video. In fact, here's what I want you to do. I want you to subscribe and hit the bell right now. Right below, subscribe and hit the bell below, because I'm going to share with you some information in this video. It's what's been keeping you from starting your VA business. And this video, I'm going to give you permission to start like yesterday. So many times people think that you have to meet like 50 different skills and then it's official. You can start your VA business. You have all the skills that you need. And that's absolutely not true. In fact, I'm going to tell you 3 skills right now that I know you already have. I don't know you, but I do know that you found this video and it took you 3 skills to find this video. And these 3 skills are enough to start your VA business. So the first is internet research. I'm guessing you went into Google or you went into YouTube and typed something along the lines of VA skills. And eventually you came to this video, right? So 1, that tells me you know how to do internet research. 2, you would have had to type it in. So that tells me that you can transcribe. And the 3rd skill I know you have, you took data from your brain, right? You typed it in, data entry. I can tell you that there are people out there who have started their VA business and all they do is data entry, or all they do is transcription. If you're looking to start your VA business, you might think, well, those are really easy skills. Or you might think, those are the only skills that I have. It doesn't matter. Those are enough skills to start your VA business. Now, if you don't believe me that those are enough skills to start your VA business, I'm just gonna tell you a quick story. I had a client once that all I did for them was they would dictate emails to me and send it to me in an audio file or even a video file. And I would transcribe the emails. They would say, this email is to John Smith. Subject is follow-up. Body, dear John, blah, 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 blah. That person paid me over $600 a month to do that one task. Now, I know you're doing a lot of research, and in doing that research, you have come across lists and lists of things that VAs can do. You're probably crossing your eyes when you're going through all of these lists because 50% of the things on the list, you have no idea what those things are. And then you get discouraged and you think you can't start your VA business because you don't know a particular skill that other VAs are offering. So let me break it down for you this way. So in this example, we are going to use the skill set of transcription and data entry, okay? Because those are 2 skills I know you have. So right here in this little bucket are transcription and data entry. Now, you are doing your research and you're coming across things like, let's say, for instance, a Pinterest VA. Okay, a Pinterest VA we're going to put in this bucket right here. Okay, so transcription, data entry, Pinterest VA. If you're saying, well, I don't know how to be a Pinterest VA, I personally don't advertise being a Pinterest VA. I know how to go to Pinterest and pin like a recipe that I'm never gonna go back and make again. That does not make me a Pinterest VA. A Pinterest VA primarily helps businesses market themselves on Pinterest to drive traffic to their website and their business. That's it in a nutshell. But you might see, okay, well, there are Pinterest VAs out there and VAs know how to be a Pinterest VA. And you're thinking, I don't know how to do that. So because you don't have this skill here, you just think, I can't start my VA business, even though you have these skills right here. So let's say right here, where we had transcription and data entry, this person right here is a brain surgeon, okay? And this person is moving to a different city, so they need to apply for a job at a different hospital. And so they have their interview and they're all set up and they're ready to go. And they wake up the morning of their interview and they're getting ready and they're looking in the mirror and they say, I can't go interview to be a brain surgeon because I don't know heart surgery. So right here where it was a Pinterest VA, right here, this bucket now is heart surgery. Okay, so we got brain surgery and heart surgery. So if this brain surgeon doesn't go to the hospital for his interview because he doesn't know heart surgery, how many lives is he not going to save with brain surgery because he gives up because he doesn't know heart surgery? It's the same thing with your VA skills. How many businesses are you not being able to help because you are waiting to learn all the things over here before you start your VA business? Let me tell you something. If you wait until you know every possible VA skill there is to know before you start your business, you are never going to start your business. There are companies out there that will hire you just to do transcription and data entry. If that's the only skills that you have or the only skills that you feel comfortable marketing, there are people out there that will pay you to do that. The people that need you for data entry probably don't need you to be a Pinterest VA. So if you are over here thinking, well, I can't start my VA business because I don't know how to do hashtag all the things. If that's what's preventing you from starting your business, in my opinion, you're looking for an excuse not to start your business. You need to use the skills that you have. Now, if being a Pinterest VA piques your interest, and I'm just going to tell you that line that I said, I had to redo it like 3 times because it was a tongue twister and I edited it out. If being a Pinterest VA piques your interest, you can still do that, but here's what I would recommend. I would recommend starting your VA business with this like bucket of skills that you already have. And then as your business grows, as you acquire clients, learn how to be a Pinterest VA. And as soon as you have the skills necessary to market that particular skill, then do it. But you are leaving money on the table. You are leaving businesses out there that need your help if you are waiting until you know every single VA skill. Go back to the brain surgeon that doesn't know how to do heart surgery. If he let the fact that he didn't know how to do heart surgery prevent him from being a brain surgeon, think of all the lives he would not save. If you are preventing yourself from starting your VA business based on the skills that you don't have, think of all the clients you are not helping. Still, you might be saying, Lisa, I still just want to know what type of skills VAs offer. And it's still a valid question. It's a great question. And here's what I want you to do. I have a free resource that I want to offer to you today. What you need to do is go to my website. It's www.605assistantsolutions.com. VA skills guide. Okay, VA skills guide is all one word. That is going to take you to a page where I'm going to ask you to enter your name and your email address, and then I am going to send you an email that has a downloadable list of a ton of different VA skills. I think that's a really good resource to just take a look at, because there might be some skills on there that you have, but maybe you forgot about or you didn't realize were a skill that somebody would pay you for. www.605assistantsolutions.com/VA skills guide. Give me your name, your email address. I'm going to shoot that over to you. Again, 100% free resource. So I hope this was helpful to you. I hope it gave you permission to start your VA business with the skills you have right now. When I started my business, there were so many skills I didn't have, so many things I didn't know that I didn't learn until I started my business. And if I had waited until I knew everything, I still wouldn't have started my business. You are never going to know everything, but know that there are clients out there that need your specific skill set. Nobody's going to hire you to be a Pinterest VA unless you advertise that you know how to be a Pinterest VA. If you know how to do email management or graphic design, and that's what you market, that's what people are going to hire you for. I hope this gave you permission to start your business today. And if you found it helpful, I encourage you, hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell. I am here every week to give you tips and tricks of how you can start or grow your VA business. I will see you in the next video.